Certo vs. Wondershare Recoverit Usage Experience. Welcome to this detailed comparison of Certo and Wondershare Recoverit, two powerful tools designed for safeguarding your data and recovering lost files. Links to both products are provided in the description for your convenience. Let's break down their features, target audiences, and key differences to help you determine which one suits your needs. Certo is a specialized tool tailored for iOS users, focusing on device security and privacy. It scans iPhones for malware, spyware, and other security vulnerabilities, ensuring your device remains protected from potential threats. Additionally, Certo includes data recovery capabilities, allowing users to retrieve lost or accidentally deleted files such as photos, messages, and app data. With its straightforward and user-friendly interface, Certo is ideal for individuals who prioritize security and privacy while occasionally needing a reliable data recovery solution. On the other hand, Wondershare Recoverit is a comprehensive data recovery software that supports a wide range of devices and file systems, including Windows, macOS, external drives, SD cards, and more. Its primary focus is on recovering lost, deleted, or corrupted files with high accuracy. Recoverit offers advanced features like video repair and deep scanning, making it suitable for users dealing with complex data loss scenarios. With its versatility, Recoverit caters to a broader audience, including professionals and everyday users looking to recover files from various devices. The main distinction lies in their focus areas. Certo is specifically designed for iOS users, offering an added layer of security alongside data recovery. This makes it perfect for users who want an all-in-one solution to safeguard their Apple devices while retrieving lost data. Wondershare Recoverit, however, is better suited for users who need a versatile recovery tool capable of handling data loss across multiple platforms and devices. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs. If you're an iOS user seeking enhanced security and basic recovery tools, Certo is a great option. If you require advanced recovery features for diverse devices, Wondershare Recoverit is a stronger contender. Explore the links in the description to learn more and make an informed decision.